YouTubers? Welcome to my channel. Let's check out this place. It's called My Grandma's Empanadas in Warner Robins, Georgia. Why we love My Grandma's Empanadas so much? Because it's food made with lots of love and flavor. Back in 2016, I wrote a review that started with "Don't judge the book by its cover." This is the kind of hole in the wall that you will find great food, awesome flavors, a welcoming smile, and empanadas made with a lot of love. So what is an empanada or a turnover? Every culture have their own kind. What changed is the type of dough, spices, filling, bake it or fry it. Start this culinary journey through the variety of empanadas. They have three doughs: the traditional flour one, a corn one, and a cassava, from the taino word kasabi or yucca as I know it. You have it? Okay, I want to have a carimañola,
Okay.
a beef empanada.
Mild or spicy?
I want it spicy. I want a guava, berry, and cream, and a market fresh.
Okay.
And to go,
Okay.
it's another order for my wife. I want to have a beef, mild, a carimañola, a Ricky roll. You have stuffed avocados?
Yes.
One stuffed avocado,
Okay.
and a guava, berry, and cream. We've been coming to this place for the last 6 years because the food brings memory from our island. So what's up, YouTuber? I'm here at Grandma's Empanada. I just made my order and it's coming right now. And here's the food. Here's the food. Look at that. Look at that. That looks amazing, huh? So they market the one is spicy back there with a nice label there, so you know that that's one the hot one. That one, this is the carimañola. This one here. And these are the stuffed turnovers. I don't know which one they are, but I know that this is the beef that is spicy. And probably this one is the dessert one that got the guava and the berries and the cream. I'm gonna start biting on them and let you know how good. I'm gonna start with the carimañola. This is the icon. It's delicious. Let me tell you what I have inside. It's cassava, yucca root, grinded with some beef on the inside. Put some hot sauce on it. Oh yeah, that's how we roll here. There you go. Hot sauce. It's hot, but have a nice flavor. It complements the flavor of the carimañola. Now let's work on the spicy beef turnover. Because it's already spicy beef, I'm not gonna put the hot sauce on the first fry. So I'm gonna take a bite, let you know how it is, to see if it's that spicy or not. If not, I'll put some hot sauce on it. This reminds me of the beef turnover or empanadas de carne from Puerto Rico. Delicious. I mean, it's real. So let's go now with the empanada that have the guava, the berries, and the cream. Puerto Ricans, we love guava. We call it guayaba. The guava, berries, and cream empanada. Wow. What they did is they just mixed the berries, the cream, and the guava in a puree, and they stuff the empanada. I mean, it's delicious. Every time that you bite it, you are feeling every flavor of those three combinations. My wife wanted some of the empanadas, so here's her bag. I'm gonna take that to her right now to our house. And we'll do some reveal because we have a stuffed avocado there. I want you guys stuffing the empanadas right now here. They made them fresh here, and they have a really unique recipes, and they just remind me of my island in Puerto Rico. You know, these ladies are just hands-on taking care of business here. They've been 7 years in the market, one in the fresh market, in the fresh market here in Warner Robins, and now they've been here in the local here for the last 6 years. Check this out. This is how cute they bag all them turnovers in popcorn bags, and they put the name of the turnover on top, so you know what you get inside every dish bag. What you got there, honey?
My favorite, carimañola.
Good. By the way, Ricky says hi.
Hi, Ricky.
Send her love to us and asking about
Long
the
time
family.
no see her.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Long time no taste this delicious thing.
Which one is that one? Carne.
You're gonna have to go back and get me the cheese one.
I'm sorry.
No, sorry, go back.
Nope. So my wife was so gentle and gave me one of her Ricky rolls. Here it is. So good. You shouldn't have done that. I mean, they're really good. This is not the typical turnover you will find at a grocery store. These are made from scratch and as good as home cooking. Their empanadas and side dishes are made from local farmers and artisans. They're truly unique in flavor, service, and quality. Grandma's Empanada have very good food, fast service, and friendly staff. Visitor Traveler, thanks for watching and buen provecho.